Hi, this is outdoors writer David Figura. It's time to talk turkey. I'm here today with veteran turkey hunter Bill Wilbur, and he's going to go over the basics of calling in wild turkey during the spring.
Okay, there are four basic devices that are used for calling turkeys. For the beginner, one of the easiest ones to use is the push pin call. Then the box call. Then the slate call. And for the little bit more advanced, this one takes a little bit more practice, is the diaphragm call. Okay, one of the first calls you should do is the yelp. Once that bird gobbles back to you, he knows where you are. So just remember not to overcall. If you call too much, you can make the bird go the other way. So, okay, the turkey's gobbled to you. It's coming in. The next two calls you can do are the cluck and purr. You can do them separate or together, and they're a little easier to do on a slate call. This is the cluck, and this is the purr. That's a contentment call. It kind of means everything's okay. They'll make that sound as they're feeding. And the cluck and purr. Okay, and then one more call we use is called cutting. Say that the tom's coming in and he hangs up out there 60, 70 yards. Sometimes you have to do something to get him fired up to commit the rest of the way. And that is a call we call cutting. And it sounds like this. And my final words of advice is to be patient and not to overcall. It may take them a little while to come in. So.